How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make gears in Onshape CAD. This is Guide to Everything. Let's get started. Basically, designing your own gear on the Onshape CAD can take a lot of time, but I will show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to click on this plus icon. This is going to be the Add Custom Features button. And in this way, we are going to add some feature, and that's going to be the spur gear feature. Now, you then want to paste this specific link. I'm going to leave this on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Click on the search button, and then you want to click on the spur gear custom feature. From there, it will then install this spur gear on our AutoCAD right here or our Onshape CAD. It will say that we have successfully installed the spur gear feature. So to finally use it, you want to navigate back to the same menu, which is going to be the Add Custom Feature. And then if you click on the drop-down menu, we then have some additional option, and that's going to be our spur gear. So just click on it, and then it will add directly onto our plane right here. Now, basically, once you have added your gear, you can add it out the depth. Maybe you want something like 0.2 inches. You can just customize this according to your preference. In my case, I will make it 2 inches, which is very big, but since it's only a tutorial and a demonstration, I'm fine with that. You can also adjust your teeth. So let's go ahead and say that this specific gear has only as 10 teeth. Now you have your module, you have your pitch, circle diameter, and more. You can just edit this the way you want to. If you want to enable the helical option, of course, you can just do so. And so that's how you make gears on the Onshape CAD easily and quickly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.